Categories. In Marketplace, we have these things called categories. They can also be sometimes known as domains or whatever vernacular your company is more used to. They're the broad groupings of things that you want to organize collections into. So on the screen at the moment, we've got them defined as categories. As I say, that's configurable within the product. In this example, we can see we've got accounting, reference data, product, marketing, compliance. These are different kind of broad level groupings of data. Now you want to align these to what your organization are used to, and you're going to have a lot of flexibility also within them because you can then create subcategories. So you can see here, for example, in compliance, it's broken down into risk, privacy, and TCFD. Sales is broken into forecast and revenue analysis. So there's a lot more you can do in the subcategories, but first off, you want to start thinking about those top level items, what's going to align with how your organization categorizes data. Then you can start thinking about the collections that go within them. Categories are the broad level groupings that you want to put the data collections in. Some people rename these domains. The idea is that it's a broad subject matter that lots of different data collections or data products would belong within. For instance, it might be something as broad as sales data or HR data or customer data at the top level. Now you can have subcategories within a category, so of course they can be hierarchical too, but for simplicity, I have just represented one category on this slide to show how that then relates down the hierarchy. So in this case, we've got one category, let's say it's HR data, and there are 3 data collections within it, listed as data collection 1, 2, and 3. Now, I know a lot of you call these data products, which is perfectly acceptable as well, and we can also refer to them, but for the sake of these videos, I'm going to use the term data collections, as that's the original term in the tool. These, in turn, can have one or more assets within them. An asset is an equivalent to a data container. It could be a table, a view, a report, a data set, any of these different types of data containers. Now, the first data collection here has one asset within it. That's a single asset data collection. The second and the third both have 2 data assets within them. And you can see that actually data asset 3 is used in both data collection 2 and data collection 3. That's because assets can be reusable. You could use them in multiple different collections. The idea is that the owner will only pair them with things they're compatible with and should be used in conjunction with. So that's where the curation comes in. Data elements are unique to their assets. They can't belong to more than one asset. These are going to be the fields, the columns, the attributes within your data container. So we use the term data elements as a generic term to refer to all of those different titles.